Want to learn this edit using your mobile phone? Open Filmora Mobile and create a new project. Import a walking video with the stationary camera footage, and the text should be in PNG. Adjust the framing to your preference. Trim the clip if necessary. Overlay the PNG by selecting track switching. Place the PNG text on the starting point of your walking subject. Adjust its size to the same height of the subject for a smooth flow and coverage. Make sure it will only start to appear when the subject is like walking through it already. Now let's go to mask. Select liner. Right side should be entirely masked at first, then gradually remove the mask. To ensure a smooth effect, we will be using a keyframe to remove the mask gradually. Move a bit to the right of the clip and gradually expose the PNG text. Do this until the PNG text appear completely. Be patient to yield smooth results. After the PNG completely appear, don't forget to extend it until the end of the video.